Are you curious about your past lives? There are actually ways to confirm who you were, where you lived, and what you experienced. And today I will share some of those with you. Now, one of the best ways to confirm is actually to get readings from psychics or to have past life regressions. A lot of times clients come to me, and when I give them a past life reading, I'll share my impressions, and they'll say, oh yeah, somebody else has already told me that. I love it when that happens because it shows multiple intuitives are picking up on the same information, and for me that's a great confirmation that we're receiving accurate information. So you can always seek professional help. Now, in addition, there are ways you can confirm for yourself. First off, look at what you're interested in this life. Are there any parts of the world that enchant you? It's highly likely you lived there in the past. If you're interested in any particular historical time periods or events, it's also likely that you were there. Also look at your talents and your skills. If you have strengths, it's likely that in past lives you've developed those areas. Now, as you're considering this, Spirit will give you clues to confirm that you're on the right track. Let's say you've always been fascinated with India. If you start thinking, did I have a past life there? All of a sudden you feel chills. That's Spirit condensing into matter and confirming, yes, that's true. Or you may actually encounter someone you had a relationship with in a past life. When you meet them, they'll be familiar to you. You'll be more comfortable with them than seems right, given how long you've known them. That's because you're carrying in the energy from the past life. This can happen the other way, where you meet somebody and you're very repelled by them, you don't want to be around them, and there's challenges. That's also a clue you've carried over that, negative energy from a past life. Also, if you think about a past life with a person, if you feel strong emotions stir within you, that's a clue you're accessing emotions from that past life. So as you think about it, just really pay attention to anything that's happening in your body, any subtle sensations that may tell you, you're on the right track. Now, beyond that, we can get images, we can get visions. A lot of times in meditation or as I'm giving myself my daily Reiki healing, I will see an image just arise. It will be from the past and it is a sign something from a past life is releasing. And so that's a good thing. A lot of people get images in dreams, and you may even get clairvoyant images from looking at people. I recommend you light a candle, stare at yourself in the mirror after you turn the light off, and if you do this for 3 to 5 minutes, you'll see your face morph and change, and several of the faces that show up will be your face in past lives. You can also do this when staring at other people, and it can be cool. I've also found sometimes I'll be doing readings with clients, and people in the background or things in the background will change, and it will appear as if there's a Civil War soldier or a Chinese flag or something. And so these sorts of images also show some clues about the past life. So I hope that helps, and you can all check in with yourself and see what past lives you may have experienced. Go ahead and leave some comments and let me know what you find out. And if you want any more information on healing or intuitive development, check out my blog. Thanks, and have a great one.